The only pig I have that doesn't run back where she's supposed to be. Poops. Why are you out? Why are you out and you've got your little dingleberry? Hey, come on, let's go back in. Be careful with the pond, dingleberry. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. How'd you get out? What's going on? What happened? Is the fence broke? Come on, let's go in. Sure, the fence is broke. Yeah, let's just go back in. Oh, yeah, okay. Go back in. Come on, Poops. Come on. Come on, Poops. Follow me. Come on. Come on, Poops. Come on in.